what is the type of person that if we say anyone can do this, and I agree with you,
Yeah.
is there a certain type of person who is going to favor better if they at least they get in the right headspace or
Yeah.
they
So I don't think it has anything to do with technical ability. Just from my own experience,
Mhm.
I could basically use like Word and basic Excel and make a PowerPoint.
I talked
Uh,
to a lady yesterday who for the first 2 years of her career couldn't type.
yeah. Um, I didn't know a whole lot about computers. And it was hard at first, learning everything. Still a lot of concepts about more complex things that are happening within like the back end of Salesforce. I still don't understand, but I'm working towards that. I think I agree with you that Salesforce is for everyone. I fully agree with that statement. I think the people that do the best are the people that commit. You make the decision and you commit and you do it. I have no idea where I heard this, but there's something that plays on repeat in my head that I heard when I was maybe in like middle school or high school or something like that. But it something along the lines of don't say that you want to do something, just do it. So if you take playing the piano, for instance, don't say, "Oh, I wish I could play the piano. Oh, I want to be able to play the piano." Do it. If you really wanted to do it, you would do it. So I kind of think about that with a lot of things that happen in my life. I won't say like, oh, I wish I could be a Salesforce business analyst. Do it. Like, I don't know if that's like, again, that might go back to me being hard on myself, but I try to choose my words carefully when I speak about things and not say, oh, I wish I could do this or I want to do this. I make a plan and I make it happen.
Yeah.
If you really want to make this your future, make it your career, make the decision and take the steps to make it happen.